Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and remove and replace the air filter on this 2012 Toyota Highlander. Alright guys, we have two 10mm bolts. We have one in the front and then we have one in the back. We're going to go ahead and grab the back one right now. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and pull up and pull to the right. Then you have access to the air filter and just pull it out. Alright guys, so we have the new air filter. You can see the comparison there. The right one is really dirty. This is the new one. On the new one, you will have some signs that tells you what way it goes. So flip it around. And then here we have up and front. So we got to make sure that we put it that way. Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw the new filter in there. We're going to lift up the cover. Just squeeze it in there. Make sure it lands properly. Then we're going to make sure these side clips go in. They get moved in. Then we're going to go ahead and screw it back on. We're going to go ahead and tighten up the bolts and we're all set on the air filter.